Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kai Academy, and today I will show you how to allow or disallow direct messaging from everyone on Twitter. So the messaging feature provided to users by Twitter can sometimes be very annoying. Although Twitter messaging normally brings great convenience, this feature is abused and misused by some people. Therefore, some of the users go to disable this feature. Maybe you're one of them and you need some help. So by default, only people you follow can send you direct messages on Twitter. So this is just one of the ways that Twitter tries to keep harassment to a minimum. If you want your DMs to be open to anyone, however, you've got to enable a setting. So this process is similar on all platforms, on your computer, on your phone, on your tablet, iPad. So what we're gonna do, we're in our profile right now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to settings and click here. And from here, we're gonna click privacy and safety. As you can see, we have this direct messages section just for this. So mine is on actually. Let's assume that it is off. So what we're gonna do is simply, we're just gonna click on this and we're gonna be able to receive messages from anyone. Also, this direct messages has some other things which has like it filters lower quality messages from direct message requests, and which I have this filter on. This is like if you're gonna be receiving a spam or something or scam, it's allowing it's allow like Twitter is just filtering it itself. Also, when you're DMing or someone is DMing you, from here you can show read receipts or you can choose not to. Mine is open because I like seeing others and they can also know about me that I have seen them. For example, the times like this, you're just talking with someone there and they just don't let it go. So what do I do? Since my show read receipts are open, I see the text. It's a text that should be texted back, but I don't. And they know that I read it. So it's a good way to ignore people. Also, keep that in mind. So thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, please give us thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this video or about anything, including Twitter or any app, ask me in the comments and I will be there trying to answer your questions. And also, on top of that, if you have any suggestions about our contents, about what we can do better or what videos we can do more, please let us know in the comments. So, one more thing before you go. Yes, keep going. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to hit that button too. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.